Hi sewing friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name's Beth. If you're new, welcome. Today's quilt block is called Alpine Cross. For this block I need only 3 colors, pink, green, and white. All of these squares are 3 inches and I'll leave the cutting information down below. I need 4 strips that are pink and a square that's white for the center of the block. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll pair up my 3-inch squares for my half square triangles. When I have all of my sets together, I'm going to draw a pencil line from corner to corner so that I can make my half square triangles, and I'll be sewing a seam on both sides of my pencil line. I'm going to cut right along that pencil line, and I will open up my half square triangles, and they should be larger than I need. I need 2.5 inches, so after I get all of my half square triangles ready to go, I will press and then I will trim them to 2.5 inches. When all of my half square triangles were ready to go, I laid out my quilt block beginning in the center. I'll begin with the green and white half square triangles and get them situated in the correct position, and then I will move out with the other half square triangles. And you will notice as we go along here I did make a mistake when I was laying everything out. right here it looks correct, but for some reason when I sat down to my machine, something had moved, and if you are noticing to the top left, I have one half square triangle that's situated the wrong direction, and it wasn't until I had this quilt block all together that I realized my mistake. I put my little 4 patches together, the 4 patches that are those half square triangles, and after I joined those 4 patches together, I was able to easily get this block complete. It took me quite a while to see my mistake, but finally I did, and I was able to just take one of those half square triangles out. With some scissors, I took out the seam all the way around, and then I repositioned it, and before you know it, my quilt block was ready to go. This quilt block measures 10.5 inches at this point, and it is so beautiful. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.